Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted another Autowatch Ghost 2 to a Lexus RX 450 Hybrid 2019. Customer had one vehicle stolen, exactly the same vehicle, was a bit paranoid, didn't want to just put a tracker on there, so he's actually done his research and found out this is the best thing out there for his particular vehicle. So how it basically works is, someone wants to clone your key, jump in, try to start it, put his foot on the brake, try and start it, you'll see it won't even start. It will start and cut out. There you go. Won't be able to start it. Cut out. There you go. So if we turn off the ignition, this time we're actually going to turn on the ignition, use our push button sequence, and you'll see the vehicle start. So I'll go through it now. So ignition on, main ignition on, don't put your foot in the brake, wait for the startup logo to go all the way across, because the cam wakes up, takes a few seconds. Insert your code on here, we've selected this button here 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alarm LED will flash twice and bleep. To confirm the code is correct, foot on the brake, start the vehicle. There you go, ready's come on, vehicle's running. If I rev it, there you go, running vehicle. So if we turn it off now, this also has the facility that if you're taking it for a service, you don't want to disclose your code, so you can put it into valet mode. And the way you do that is ignition on, main ignition on, wait for the startup logo to go across the screen on this particular vehicle, insert your push sequence, get your double bleep, double flash, and then use the rear demister button, hit that 5 times, and then the LED of the alarm will bleep and flash 5 times to confirm it's in valet mode. So we'll do that now. So ignition on again, wait for the startup logo to go all the way across, insert your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, LED 4 times, twice, sorry, and now hit the rear demister 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five bleeps and flashes from the security light till it's in valet mode. Foot on the brake, start your vehicle. Says ready. There you go, vehicle's now running. This time if I now turn it off, wait a few seconds, just jump in and start it. There you go, no code. Vehicle running. When you receive the vehicle back, obviously you want to secure it again. And the way you do that is very, very straightforward. Just standard procedure. Ignition on again. Wait for the startup logo to go across and just insert your code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double bleep, double flash. Start the vehicle up. The vehicle says ready. This time when I turn the ignition off and try and start it, it will be immobilised again. So we're back to ghost protective mode. So we'll leave it now, ignition, put on the brake, ignition on, try to start it. There you go. Won't even start. So ignition on, insert your code, wait for the startup logo to go across, insert your code, 1, 2, 3, 4, double bleep, start your vehicle. There you go, ready, vehicle's running. Also, on this particular product, you've got the option to change the code. So if someone sees the code and you want to change it, it's very straightforward. The way you do that, main ignition on again, wait for the startup logo to go across, insert your code, 1, 2, 3, 4, double bleep, double flash. Put your foot now all the way down on the accelerator, insert the same code again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now wait for the LED to start flashing at a slow pace. Once you're here, take your foot off the accelerator, you're now in learn mode. So what we're going to do now is we're going to, this time, hit this 6 times, let's say. So when I hit it each time, that LED is going to bleep and flash. So we'll try and do that now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll get 3 bleeps to confirm it's accepted that code and likes it. Now we'll do exactly the same again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, double bleep, double flash, say he likes it. Means it's the same code as what I programmed. That's now learned and stored. So if I now turn off the ignition, leave it for a few seconds. Now this time do the same thing again. So ignition on, main ignition on, no foot on the brake. Wait for the startup logo to go all the way across. Insert your code, so we're doing 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double bleep, vehicle starts. There you go, very, very straightforward. Also, it's got a card that should you forget your code, so that you can't disarm it, you've forgotten it, there is a card with an override procedure on the back of it, which obviously you scrub it off and that will tell you how to override it through a particular procedure. So you can always get yourself out of trouble if you forget the code. Hope you found this video helpful on this Lexus. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0208 906 0478. 0208 906 0478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.